In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start time-on-time tracking in Zoho Books. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can confidently track your work hours directly inside Zoho Books. This is especially helpful if you bill clients based on time, or if you simply want better visibility into how long specific tasks or projects actually take. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and that you're on the main dashboard. From here, look toward the side menu where you normally see options like Sales, Purchases, and Banking. In that same menu, you'll find the section labeled Time Tracking. Go ahead and click on Time Tracking. This area is where Zoho Books gathers all time-related activities, such as projects, tasks, and entries. Once you're inside the time tracking section, you'll see a few different options. What we want to work with now is the timesheet. The timesheet is essentially your log of work. It shows which tasks you've been working on, for how long, and often which customer or project each task is tied to. So, click on Timesheet to open that view. After the timesheet page loads, you should see a list of your time entries, or it may be empty if you're just starting out. On this page, look for the Start option. This is usually associated with a specific task or time entry line. If your organization has already set up projects and tasks, you'll likely see them listed here, alongside buttons or links that allow you to start tracking time. When you're ready to begin working on a specific task, find that task in the timesheet and click on Start. This tells Zoho Books that you're about to begin work and prepares the timer for that particular activity. It's important to make sure you're starting the timer on the correct task, because the time recorded will be associated with whatever you select here, and that can affect reporting and billing later on. After clicking Start, a small window or confirmation option will appear, giving you the choice to actually begin the live timer. Here, you'll need to click on Start Timer. Once you do that, Zoho Books begins tracking your time